In this video, I will show you how to make upma. Upma is a very good breakfast and it's made from the suji, also known as rava or semolina. For this, we need 1 cup of suji, 1 chopped onion, 10 gram of finely chopped ginger, 10 to 15 curry leaves, green chilies to taste, and some shredded coconut. I am taking a dry coconut, but you can take a fresh if you have. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, also known as jeera, and some veggies, which is around 2 cup. I am taking carrot, peas, beans, and the corns, which I am using the frozen veggies. Take a pan and roast 1 cup suji. This step is very important to making upma. So we need to roast the suji for 5 to 7 minutes. I will show you in this recipe how you ensure that the suji is roasted well. So keep the flame on medium while you are roasting the suji. After 5 minutes, you will see that the suji grains can see, how you can distinguish between the flour and the sand. So the suji was the soft before. After it was roasted, you feel like it is like a sand. So it means your suji is roasted now, and transfer it to the bowl. So I am going to use the same pan to cook the upma. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix them well. Once you heard the cracking sound, then add chopped onion, ginger, and the curry leaves. You can put all these 3 ingredients together, then saute them for 2-3 minutes. Add salt to taste. Salt always help to cook onion fast. Then add half teaspoon of red chili powder for the medium spicy. Cook for another 2-3 minutes. Then add veggies. Also add some shredded coconut. The fresh or dried doesn't matter, but the coconut give the very great taste to the upma. They add the flavors. If you don't have a shredded coconut, you can also add the coconut oil into it. Cover with the lid and cook the veggies until it's tender. Once you see that the veggies are cooked, now it's a time to add the suji into it. So add the roasted suji. Mix the suji well with the veggies. On the side, you also need some water to make the upma. So for 1 cup suji, you need 2.5 cup of hot water. So I am adding 2.5 cup of hot water into 1 cup of suji. Mix nicely, so ensure that it should not form any lumps. So we need to mix until all the water is soaked by the suji and it dries up. Once it's dried up, you have to cover with the lid and cook for another 2-3 minutes on the low medium heat. Once done, mix well again. And the upma is ready. To serve the upma, take a small bowl, add the upma into it, press gently on the top, and take a dish on the side where you would like to serve the upma, and turn the ball upside down on that platter and take the ball out, and it is a round ball of upma. This is how the upma can be served. Garnish it with some curry leaves and is ready to eat. Upma is a great breakfast with a lot of nutritious other veggies into it. Try it at home and is a great recipe to follow. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my videos.